Hi all! Thank you for joining us today for this quick demonstration on how to utilize formula fields to display information captured in a pick list. For our example today, we're going to start in the accounts object here, and all we're going to do is pull the information chosen in this industry pick list into our opportunities object here. This way, our sales reps don't have to navigate between both records and they don't have to update information in two places, which will help overall with our data cleanliness efforts. So we're going to jump into our object manager by going to setup here and launching setup. Once I've come to object manager, I'm going to navigate to my opportunities object and to fields and relationships. From here, I'm just going to click new and I'm going to choose formula and I'm going to say next. We're going to call this field account industry. It'll auto-populate the field name, and we want this to show up as a text field. Now we'll say next, and notice that we're in the advanced formula tabs, which is going to give us access to our functions. Because we're working with a pick list value here, we're going to have to use the text function here, which will allow us to convert that pick list value into a text field. We're going to insert. Now we're going to go through our account and we're going to find that account industry, which is going to pull it straight over from the account record. And we just say insert. And like that, we have our formula. We can check the syntax here just to make sure, but we're good to go. Always add a little help text or description. So populate the industry from the account record. And we want to treat these blank fields as blanks since we're working with text and not numbers. We'll say next here. Because this is a development org and I'm not working with actual clients, I'm just going to open this up to everyone. But remember to set the field level security the way you would with any field. And we're going to add this to every opportunity layout. I'm going to say save. And now we're done. We can come over here, refresh our opportunity record. And now we can see that our industry has pulled over consistently. And if we go back to our account record, we update our industry to banking, and we save. We can refresh over here, and we can see that our account industry has also updated. So again, really quick, really easy, but really powerful. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and hope to see you again soon. Thanks all.